how to fix Facebook Marketplace isn't available to you and also not showing up on your Facebook screen. The first things first is access your Facebook account. And the very first thing that you'll have to check, by the way, is to make sure that you're currently running or currently using the updated latest version of the Facebook. So just simply go to your Play Store and head to the search bar and look for the Facebook app. From here, you'll be able to know if your Facebook application needs an updating because there will be a visible update button that's going to be there. I'll just have to tap on that and it will automatically upload or update by itself. Now, next thing that you will do is access your Facebook application. Make sure that you're logged into your account and then head directly to your Facebook menu. From here, scroll down and go to Help and Support. And from here, just go directly to Report a Problem. Scroll down and tap on Continue to report a problem. Now it's going to be loading up for a couple of minutes, and all you have to do from there is just indicate on what exactly happened. If you're above 18, then there's no need for you to input right there. You just have to make sure that it's going to be in full detail. And if you have a screenshot of the specific error that you received, then you'll have to include it here. Now, all you have to do from here is just scroll down and go to Marketplace and describe the issue. Just let them know that your Facebook Marketplace is currently not working. So that's it. You'll have just to wait for the Facebook customer support to get back to you, and there's going to be the ones to rectify the problem for you. So that's how you fix or troubleshoot your Facebook Marketplace isn't available to you and also not showing up.